Why end-to-end encryption matters.
End-to-end encryption protects messages so only the sender and recipient can read them. For remote teams, this ensures sensitive business information stays private, reducing the risk of data breaches, eavesdropping, or leaks. Choosing secure chat apps is vital for maintaining confidentiality and compliance, especially when dealing with client information or intellectual property.
Top encrypted messaging apps for teams.
Popular end-to-end encrypted chat apps for remote teams include Signal, WhatsApp, and Wire. For larger organizations, Microsoft Teams and Slack offer encryption, but their security architecture differs. Apps like Signal and Wire are known for strong privacy policies and open source code, making them favorites among privacy-focused teams.
Getting started. Setting up a secure chat app.
To begin, select an app that aligns with your team's needs. Download the app on all your devices, create accounts, and enable necessary security features such as screen lock and two-factor authentication. Invite your team members and ensure everyone understands how to verify identities and spot suspicious activity.
Using encrypted apps for team communication.
Group chats, file sharing, and video calls can all remain private with the right app. Encourage team members to avoid sharing sensitive info outside these platforms. Regularly update the app and remind everyone to double-check recipients before sending confidential messages or files.
Tips for maintaining security and compliance.
Maintain privacy by reviewing app permissions and security settings. Educate your team about phishing attempts and the importance of strong passwords. Stay informed on updates and best practices for the app you use. Consistent communication and training help ensure your remote team's information stays secure and compliant.